Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna show you this transmission filter. I'm gonna rip it apart and see what's inside. So I have one filter for exterior. It stays outside the transmission. Is for Acura, and this is for interior. It stays inside the transmission. Alright, so let's see. Every time you change the transmission fluid, you should change this filter. Transmission filter change is not too costly, maybe $100 or sometimes depending on the location varies. But in my car, every 30,000 miles you should be changing this. Okay, this could be plastic or steel. Let's try with this side. This looks solid plastic. This is not new, as you can tell. This is an used one. This is just plastic. People say don't change the transmission filter, and sometimes I don't want to agree with them, because a lot of time even they say don't change the transmission fluid, especially for an old car. They say don't change it or you'll ruin the engine. If you love your car and you think it's right, you should just change it. You can see the filter. Media. Okay. It's pretty hard. trying to come out. I have eye protection, so I'm good. Something is holding this filter. Okay, you see this. I'm gonna push it with something. Very, very heavy. I don't see no metal here because it was a good transmission. Some plastic from, but I do see some silicone. Yeah. So guys, I do see some shiny metal. It's stuck here. Also this one was in there. It did not bother your transmission much. I'm gonna use the magnet to see if I get some. Yeah, there are some, if you can see it. Because I see it. It's only because of the friction. It's not a lot, but it's always a good practice that you change it. This is the transmission filter, guys, and this is just the way it flows. It's solid plastic, goes right in, nothing is in there, no filter or anything. Okay, it's pretty hard to open all the way. but I hope you guys get a good idea. You should change it because it was a different color. Now it completely changed because of all this time and energy that produced by the transmission, and it flows the oil through here. But this is made from USA, so it's a good product. I have the I hope you guys learned something from here today, and thank you so much. Let's take care, guys.